For this task, you will listen to a passage, then respond to a question based on that listening. You will have 20 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. The task tests your ability to understand the listening passage and accurately express the information in your own words, while also explaining key points from what you've heard. Now, let's begin with a sample task.
Let's discuss supply and demand, which are fundamental concepts in economics that play a crucial role in determining the prices of goods and services in a market. Supply refers to the amount of a good or service that is available for sale. On the other hand, demand represents how much consumers are willing to buy at various price levels. The interaction between these two forces is what establishes the market price. When demand is high and supply is low, we typically see prices rise. This happens because consumers are willing to pay more to obtain the product they desire. Conversely, when supply is high but demand is low, prices tend to fall. In this scenario, sellers compete to attract buyers, which can lead to lower prices. This relationship is often illustrated by the supply and demand curve. The point where these two curves intersect is known as the equilibrium price. This is the price at which the amount of supply matches the amount of demand. It's important to note that changes in either supply or demand can lead to fluctuations in prices. Factors such as shifts in consumer preferences or changes in production costs can significantly impact this dynamic. Therefore, supply and demand is not a static concept. It is an ongoing process that continually influences any economy.
The lecture explains the concept of supply and demand and how they work together to determine prices. Supply is how much of a product is available, and demand is how much people want to buy. When demand is high and supply is low, prices go up because people are willing to pay more to get the product. But if supply is high and demand is low, prices go down because sellers have to compete to attract buyers. The speaker also mentions that the point where supply and demand meet is called the equilibrium price, where the amount available and the amount people want to buy are balanced. Changes in supply or demand, like a new trend or a shortage, can cause prices to change quickly.